Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
MLA ka Jowai bat chairman kemuda uba Wailad Mikishla haka khat sau tarik kala lingkot arja arhusan ula Plie ka Paiñkhana Paidbah ni public toilet Kiang Nangbah stadium. Ya ka Paiñkhana Paidbah la tei lingba ka jinga trailang ka Rotary Club Jowai West Janja District Sports Association ringkat MLA ka Jowai constituency lingba ka scheme jong ka Jowai Municipal Board ka bahap hapo ka 15 Finance Commission Award jong usnam arja arphawi. Laban kedau baya ke jingtai labu maunong rim hak arpesan tarik leber arja arpuar bala Plie Paidbah haswa ke jing penlong ya ke 6 Meghalaya Games hajuai wa ya jer West and Hills District. Uba Wailad Mikishla kumukong san ulaong ganu ke jingtai jingshna kamdan ke jing e bat ke jing e ke de hadian baladap ke jingtai namar omdon nong pet nong sumar bat kenturu ya ke Rotary Club Jowai kumju ke West Janja District Sports Association ban shimkhia ban le ek badan kam nak benta kajing bentoi ki Paidbah. Shwa kani working president WJDSA uba EMH pasa ulapan pau kajing sngongu ya ke Rotary Club Jowai kumju UMLA namar kajing don ni ki public toilet kan pensuk ki Paidbah ki bawan hak yang Nangbah stadium nak benta kajing yakop bapher. Ya kajing lang la penyat the Rotarian Rudolph E. Lalu President Rotary Club Jowai ublayat ho ya kam ke Rotary Club Jowai nak benta ka bahakamiat ka imlang saklang jong kinong syong kari jantia. Kiwede ki bala ajingkran kilong Rotarian SK Latu Vice President, Rotarian G Pradip Plie Assistant Governor Zone 13, Rotarian Mewati Gatpo, Rotarian DF Majau, but Rotarian Samehi Lalu.
Achua wa yung ribbon kam gadak kwa nagaliang yonga rangkat wa Rotary Club Jowai wa WJDSA dewa yung ribbon wa kam wa da ekti ya kani ke toilet ko da chna da ka jingi krek lang duduk Rotary ke WJDSA rangkat wa neliang yung sorkar yuluti wa ganiman ga jing ku ya ki Paidbah yung ka bilom jantia ini.
Construction Committee Secretary. Siapa pila yang nice? Siapa yang bicara? Ini Plie ini bersyukur.
Elaborately lay down what are the services they have done, but nothing is complete. It continues, and as we grow, the need, the requirement, and the understanding is to be done. And as he also mentioned, the
in our feeling, in our motto, we feel that the real happiness is helping others. With that spirit, we walk. So today also for this toilet, I would say because we feel that if we could do something for the general public, we don't want to say that we did it or we do, but we say we. It will serve the purpose for the people who come here in the stadium to witness different sort of tournament or games. Interval, it looks very odd that the spectators have just gone down their back, this side, that side. So I could see